So it's National Science Week this week, and we're here with the Office of the Queensland Chief Scientist at a STEM pop-up event. And so we're here at a number of venues in Longreach, delivering coding and robotics classes for kids. And there's lots of other science activities as well. There's dinosaur bones with the paleontology crew, there's drones training, coral reef VR activities. Yeah, so lots of different science events.
When you walk in the room, just the amount of chatter and that's excited chatter, not not just wasting time chatter. Yeah, the kids are really pumped by what they're doing and very excited to share. Like when I go back down in 5 minutes, I'll have 15 hands up because kids want to show me what they've done.
A STEM hub is getting built in Longreach, and so what we're hoping for is this is just the start of an ongoing program where kids and teachers and parents can get involved and engaged in STEM activities. Hopefully they'll be interested in selecting STEM subjects at high school and perhaps pursuing it beyond school, or even just to have a general interest and enthusiasm. It's really important for students, regardless of whether you're in regional areas or the city, to get an understanding of the direction technology is heading, but also their ability to participate and create their own technologies.
That's the exciting thing about technology, not just using it to waste time, they're using it with a purpose. So just seeing what they've created and just seeing just the little steps they've gone on and build it on from what they've been shown, like it's just excitement and yeah, looking forward to seeing what they create at the end of it.